Welcome to this video on the Color Glo International franchise opportunity. Color Glo is a global leader in turnkey, mobile-based surface restoration, offering the art of restoration backed by the science of franchising. Color Glo has a proven global footprint, with active operations in over 50 countries. Since beginning international franchising in 1982, the model has grown to include more than 1,500 licensed operators worldwide. The economic power of restoration lies in its ability to avoid the high financial costs and waste associated with replacement. Restoration is cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and offers zero downtime for the client. Franchisees use a versatile, turnkey toolkit to access multiple sectors, including automotive, aviation, marine, and commercial properties. This multi-sector approach provides resilience and adaptability. In the aviation and marine sectors, Color Glo specialists focus on safety compliance and luxury asset protection. They maintain critical FAA burn certifications for aircraft and restore marine interiors without expensive replacements. For the automotive and residential markets, Color Glo provides high-volume, everyday repairs. Franchisees benefit from national lead generation, helping them maintain a steady stream of requests for furniture and vehicle interior work. A key advantage is Color Glo's proprietary chemistry. Their in-house R&D has developed over 100 exclusive water-based formulas that are eco-friendly, fast-drying, and odor-free. Color Glo holds elite global certifications, including ISO 9001 quality management and status as an FAA-approved repair station. They are the only company in their category with these credentials. Whether it's worn canvas, cracked hard plastic, or scuffed designer leather, Color Glo delivers permanent, lasting repairs that consistently defy expectations. The mobile economics engine is designed for success, featuring a low initial investment, zero storefront overhead, and a high-margin execution model that promotes rapid ROI and scalability. This differentiator matrix highlights how Color Glo stands out. Compared to niche competitors or generic shops, Color Glo offers the broadest market reach while meeting the highest regulatory standards. There are two main investment pathways: the standard franchise, ideal for owner-operators, and the master franchise, designed for enterprise investors looking to act as regional brand guardians. Franchisees receive world-class training and 24/7 technical support. This commitment to quality is reflected in high survey ratings and multiple recognitions as a world-class franchise. Color Glo's industry pedigree is well recognized, with consistent rankings in Entrepreneur's Franchise 500, Franchise Times Top 400, and recognition as a top home-based and mobile franchise. If you are ready to build a business you can be proud of, contact the Color Glo franchise development team today to secure your exclusive territory.